Guys, nainganyo ako ito sa Kobe chocolate daw. Ito, naka-vending machine. So, pili na tayo. Meron tayong choices na ganito. 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 O ganito. And meron ding random. 500 lang. 500. So, pipili natin. Anchan, what do you want? This one? This one? This one? Okay. So, ito daw gusto niya. Okay, so, may 1,000 na tayo. Try natin. Maghulog. 1,000. Hulog tayo 1,000. Anchan na. Ito mati. Do not press. And then, press ka number 1. 1. Correct. Number 1. So. Yehey! Tingnan natin anong lumabas. Yehey! Wow! Uy, nahulog pa. Ito talaga lumabas, guys. O, sige, pa-picture. Andiyan, picture. Baliktad. Pakita. Like that. Hey, picture is smile. Yehey! We have our Kobe Wari Choco Mix. Tingnan natin anong laman. Na-open na. Meron pa siyang dark chocolate, milk chocolate, waffle crunch, white chocolate, at almond. 5 klase pala. Yan, makita mo. Ayan. Hindi masyadong klaro, pero yan ang laman, guys. May white, may milk chocolate, may crunch, at saka may almond.